Hi everyone, it's AngeliaBliss with Angiesartasylum. I hope you guys are doing well. I'm using up some leftover paints, so we're going to get started. I will place the picture of the paints that I'm using in the video and in the description box. These are Dutch poor consistency paints. They have been mixed with 1 part paint, 2 parts Floetrol, and they have been thinned down with a mixture of 20% Floetrol and 80% water until I got the right consistency. I used this in my painting before this one. Hopefully it's not too thick. I think it'll be alright. So I have like an indigo blue and some paint scrapes from the table. Hopefully I don't have clumps, and I do. See how it works. It's going to be a dark background. Few clumps in there, but I will get them out in a minute. Save a little bit of this. You guys are doing well today. It is Saturday, and this week was crazy, so I'm glad that it is over and the weekend is finally here. Just practicing this with this canvas, so hopefully it works out. Never done such a dark background before. I think I've done like a turquoise before, but never a dark background like this. Let me get some tweezers or something. Okay. Got everything off. Looks like it. I can't see anything, guys. I have to turn my light on. Hopefully you won't get glare now. Okay, let's try that. Alright, we are going to use, like I said, the same colors. They are in the description box and I showed them to you at the beginning of the video. So I'm just going to lay them down and we'll see what happens. Now I have some pearl paints from Arteza that I had mixed up. I've got a pearl Arctic blue, the pearl sea green, and I actually had an Artist Loft metallic cobalt blue. So I have Cerulean blue, the cobalt blue, they are both opaque, and then the other ones have mica in them. Phthalo blue is semi-transparent. The Cobalt Turquoise light hue is semi-transparent. So let's start with the darkest, I guess, because I don't have very much of it. Dark on dark? No? No. Start with the pearl sea green, and I'm just gonna come probably from here and go across. In here. You guys hear my husband talking? Alright, let's torch this. It's really quick. Let's see what this looks like. Pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool, pretty cool. I like it. I like the pearl green underneath. That's really cool. May blow this out a little bit. Okay guys, I think I like it. It's very pretty. I'm gonna cover the corners and I will be back to show you guys the wet flyover, and then I'll show you the dried result. Talk to you then. Hey guys, so we're at the dried results part of the video, and this is the dried result. It turned out really fabulous. I just absolutely love this piece. I think I may resin it because it's just such a beautiful composition, and the colors are just amazing in it. I think the ghostly part of some of the colors will come out. That's against the very dark background. So pretty. I'm going to take some still shots of it at the end, and you'll be able to see it a little bit better, but it dried perfectly and I couldn't be more happy with this. So I think I'm going to be visiting darker backgrounds because I love them. Anyway, I appreciate you guys being here. Thank you so much. Thank you for joining me on my journey. I couldn't do this without you guys supporting me, and from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. Until next time, I will be seeing you soon on my channel. I do a collaboration every Thursday night with some wonderful ladies. Please check that out. I'm on at 7:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Our collaboration starts at 6:30 p.m. And I'm going to try to post about 3 videos a week now, so stay tuned for those. Ring the bell, you'll get notified when I post things. So if there's anything else you'd like to see, please leave me a comment. Let me know. Different colors, different techniques. I don't know. Who knows? So just leave me a comment. Let me know. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. You have a wonderful day, and I'll be talking to you guys later. So for now, bye.